Hey everyone, I'm Justin Fisher in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. We're Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
I'm doing pretty good because it's the holiday season, right? And one of my favorite things when you're having family over and maybe at a party is dips. It's easy, it's quick, not always healthy. And we're doing something a little different here, a little healthier.
Yeah, so we're doing a sweet potato bean Chipotle dip, or Chipotle sweet potato bean dip. And so we're gonna start with some navy beans. They're a small and soft bean. The can is gonna go right in there. And a lot of times you'll hear me say that we're gonna drain and rinse, but this time we are not, because we actually need that bean juice or bean goo that's in there.
So should you be worried about the salt at all then?
So when you are using that, try to get the no salt added beans. Okay, and the next thing that's gonna go in there are our roasted sweet potatoes. So these were just whole sweet potatoes that we put in the oven for about 40 minutes and then peeled the skins off, chopped it into chunks, and they're going right into the blender.
Is it okay if they're a little bit, I guess, bigger? You don't have to go fine on those,
Yeah, it kind of depends on the blender that you have more than anything else. And then we're gonna go with some chipotle and adobo. And this is where it's really up to you as to how spicy you want it. So these do have a good bit of heat. I like it spicy, so we're gonna go ahead and go with 2. Okay, well, sorry.
I can't handle it.
All right, so this is a really delicious adobo sauce. It's vinegar, sugar, obviously the chilies. We're gonna go with some olive oil, a little bit of lime juice. And this is a great dip to be able to take with you, because sometimes at parties you don't have those really healthy options. This is a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and you can add a little nutrition to the party too.
Yeah.
Okay, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and then we're gonna go ahead and go with a little bit of cilantro.
Yeah, that has a very strong smell to it, freshly cut.
Yes, very delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this up until it's completely smooth.
Okay.
Maybe give it a little stir down.
Yeah, that's really changing it up.
It's a really delicious dip.
And when you're talking about maybe the salt and pepper, can you add as much as you want, maybe some other seasonings to it as well, really, whatever your taste is?
Yeah, some cumin would actually be really good in this too, but we want to obviously watch the salt in all of our recipes. Okay, so this is our nice, smooth bean dip. This would actually also be very delicious as a spread on a sandwich too.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe a little extra sprinkle of cilantro on there. And then if you would
Gotta put some art on it.
That's right. Doesn't taste the same. Okay.
And I'm usually with chips, but try to stay away from the salt.
Tortilla, yeah, and just, a little more nutrition in celery than any kind of chip.
Okay, let's give it a go. Even with celery, that's really good.
Good. Spicy?
Delicious. A little bit.
A little bit, not
too much for me,
okay,
though. Yeah.
Good.
I know I used to like spicy stuff. I've gotten not as good, but that is delicious. And this recipe, as you did, maybe 10 minutes of doing this?
Right.
Yeah, you can find that recipe, so many other quick recipes, kjrh.com. Thanks for joining us.